Hello everybody, this is my rat rod truck, 1947 Dodge. Doing a little bit of work to it today, getting some things going. Probably want to paint that, take that off, that action there, just the grill and junk. This is my keg, my gas tank, my gas checker, rat paint. Beer bottle. My door handle there. Let me show you guys my shifter. My pistol shifter. Brake fluid. Gauges and junk. Rat. Battery box. I'm painting some stuff today. See what you guys think about that. I'm gonna paint the front ones, back ones like that. So all my stuff I'm using: paints, tape. I'll try to make it look good. But we'll see you go. That's my factory air. Just blows in there. Got the old bullet shell, bullet holes. Can't forget the hula girl. Hula girl. Oh, that's my lock for my dash. Well, we'll see you guys in a minute. Well, we just came back from doing a little burnout. Got the tires all messed up. This is my ladybug, get out of here. This is my 47 rat rod. Ladybug. That's her. I painted him wheels and rims on it.